Okay, everyone, we're going to continue solving number 10. So in the previous video, we solved that x equals -4 and y equals 5 to give us the horizontal and vertical tangent lines. So let's go ahead and start evaluating these. Let's first evaluate the function at -4. And now to find these the points where it's going to have horizontal or vertical tangent lines, we just apply these or evaluate these in the original function. So let's see, I'm going to have 25 times -4 squared plus 16y squared plus 200 times -4 minus 160y, can I squeeze that 400 in there, plus 400 equals 0. All right, let's simplify this. Well, 25, this is 16. 25 times 16 is 400 plus 16y squared. This ends up being minus 800 minus 160y plus 400 equals 0. Let's see, 400 and 400 is 800, and 800 minus 800 is 0. Isn't that beautiful? So now I'm left with 16y squared minus 160y equals 0. So I can factor out a 16 here. So I can actually factor out a 16y, and I'm left with y minus 10. So 16y times y minus 10 equals 0, and y equals 0, and y also equals, that should be a y, whoops, y equals 10. So the ordered pairs for a horizontal tangent are at the point -4, 0 and -4, 10. So at these 2 points, I'm going to have horizontal tangent lines. Does everyone see where the -4 came from? Because I evaluated the function at -4, and these are the values of y that I solved for once I plugged in the -4. And now we're going to do the same for y. Okay, so I'm going to erase all this. So if you are still confused, pause this and just do what I just did again. All right, we're almost done. So let me just erase all of this. Someone needs to invent something so that I can erase the board in school this quickly. You guys will be rich. All right. So now we're going to evaluate the function at y equals 5. So 25x squared plus 16 times 5 squared, I'm just going to write 25, plus 200x minus 160 times 5 plus 400, I ran out of room, equals 0. Okay. Let's do a different color here. Boom. 25x squared plus 16 times 25 is 400 plus 200x, and 160 times -5 is -800 plus 400, look how nicely that worked out, equals 0. So 400 plus 400 is 800. 800 minus 800 is 0. And what am I left with? I'm left with 25x squared plus 200x equals 0. All right, let's factor out a 25. Let's see. Let's factor out a 25x. So 25x, and I'm left with x plus 8 equals 0. So what are my solutions? Well, x equals 0 and x equals -8. Now remember what y value we plugged in to get this 0 and to get this -8? We plugged in y equals 5. So the ordered pairs that are going to give us undefined tangent lines or vertical tangent lines are at the points 0, 5 and -8, 5. And now number 10 is done.